The Save Nigeria movement has kicked against the presidential ambition of the former Senate President Pius. Convener of the group, Rev Solomon Semaka, also frowned at the role being played by the Rivers State Governor Nyesom Wike, aimed at imposing a president of Igbo or northern origin. The group warned Nigerians to be wary of Wike's alleged selfish agenda, targeted at the studied Anyim in the southeast, Aminu Tambuwal in the northwest, and Bala Mohammed in the northeast, as the president for varied interests.
It's obvious Wike wants lackeys. How on earth can Wike choose candidates for political parties? The North, Igbo, or Nigeria? The Save Nigeria movement is unequivocal in stating that it does not in any way support the aspiration of Pius to be president of Nigeria. What role did Anyim play in the Governor's Forum election of 2014, the 1619 controversial result? Was Anyim on the side of truth or manipulation? What role did he play in the last Ebonyi State PDP congresses, where he was accused of imposing Tochukwu Okorie as the state party chairman? Thank God the National Party primaries are no state congresses. Pius became Senate President when he was zoned to Ebonyi after the planned ouster of Chuba Okadibo of blessed memory. Will Anyim swear that he didn't know how Chuba was removed? Anyim became secretary to the government of the Federation when it was zoned to the southeast. Now, he wants to be president because he believes it is the turn of Igbo. What a tribalist. Anyim is parochial and narrow-minded. We therefore call on the federal government and indeed all anti-graft agencies to rise to the occasion and discharge their due responsibilities. Anyim and his likes must not be...
The group enjoined EFCC and ICPC to leave no stone unturned in ensuring the conviction of the politician facing charges of corruption practices in the country.